ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇವರ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೃಹತ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೆನಿಸ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಂದ್ಯಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ತಂಡ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 2 ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಭರ್ಜರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೆಲುವು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ತಂಡದ ಕಪ್ತಾನ ಧನುಷ್ ಸಂಪತ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನಕಾ ಪೆರೇಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ನಿಸ್ಬಿ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ರಿಕ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹರಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಎಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಧನುಷ್ಕಾ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನೆಲ್. You have won both the matches. Yesterday you have defeated the first mighty Bangalore team, and second match you have won. It was a great victory for the team. What an amazing, magnificent and deserved victory for your team. So how happy you are?
ඇත්තරම ගොඩක් සතුටුයි. මොකද අපිට හොඳ කණ්ඩායමක් තියෙනවා මේ වසරේ මෙම තරගාවලිය නියෝජනය කරන්න. ඒ වගේම ගියවර ක්වාටර් ෆයිනල් වලදී පරාද වුණත් ඒ ලබාගත් අත්දැකීම් එක්ක මෙම තරගාවලිය කෙසේ හෝ ජයග්‍රහණය කිරීම තමයි අපගේ අරමුණ. ගොඩක් සතුටින් ඉන්නේ තරග දෙකම ජයග්‍රහණය කරලා ක්වාටර් ෆයිනල් සිලෙක්ට් වෙච්ච එක ගැන.
All right. Mr. Nisbi is the translator. He will translate the same thing whatever he has told in English.
He said that they are really happy now because they have already won 2 games. They are in a really good position. They are having a solid lineup. So last time also they came to here and played brilliant cricket, but they lost in quarter final. But this time they hope that they will continue that momentum till the end. And since they are having a really good balance side, they are hoping to do well in this competition.
Well, great to hear that. This is the second time you guys have come from all the way from Sri Lanka. And how confident you are to lift this prestigious Friends Cup trophy this time?
අපි අතර 100% විශ්වාසයකින් තරඟ කරනවා. අපි තරගෙන් තරගය තමයි ප්ලෑන් කරන්නේ. තරගෙන් තරගය ප්ලෑන් කරලා තරග ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න තමයි බලාපොරොත්තුව. ඉතින් 100% ආත්ම විශ්වාසයක් තියෙනවා මෙම තරගමාලාවේ කෙසේ හෝ ජයග්‍රහණය කරන්න.
All right. Please keep up the same momentum going. Thank you very much for talking with us. And I have Mr. Dhanushka Sampath, who is the team, Janaka Perez, I beg your pardon. Janaka Perez is a team manager. Sir, your boys have done wonderful job. So what would you like to say about this, your boys' performance? And also we would like to hear from you about this entire tennis ball cricket tournament which was organized by Friends Bengaluru.
අපිට මෙම තරඟාවලිය ගියවරත් අපි නියෝජනය කරා 2023 අවුරුද්දේ. ඒකෙදිත් අපිට හොඳට සංග්‍රහ කරා මිස්ටර් රේනු. ඉතින් මේ වගේ ටූර්නමන්ට් එකක් අපි මේ 7 වෙනි වතාව තමයි අපි පිටරටකදී සංචාර වලට එක්කව වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් ඇත්තටම අලුත්ම අත්දැකීමක් අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා මෙම තරඟාවලියේ කුසලානය ලංකාවට අරගෙන යන්න.
So would you mind translating the same?
Actually, he's saying he's visiting the India with a team for the 7th time. So for this tournament, 2nd time. Last time even Mr. Renu Gowda and his organizing committee, they satisfied them with a great hospitality. So he's thanking for that. And this time he's believing that their boys in a really confidence. They are performing really well. So they are hope to lift the trophy to Sri Lanka. They are having that sort of an expectation. So if I translate what Dhanushka Sampath said at the end, he said they are playing brilliant cricket. They are planning game by game. So they are in a really good momentum. So they hope to continue that momentum, and they are having 100% confidence about winning this trophy.
Great, sir. Great. So we would like to convey our best wishes to the Super Fashion Sri Lanka team on behalf of our Sports Kannada channel. So thank you very much for joining with us.
Thank you, you all as well, on behalf of Sri Lankan Super Fashion team manager Mr. Janaka Perez, and on behalf of Mr. Dhanushka Sampath and all the team members, and on behalf of all the Sri Lankan fans. We are really delighted to have a cricket tournament play in Bengaluru. So thank you all for encouraging and supporting the Sri Lankan Super Fashion. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ತಂಡದ ಟೀಮ್ ಕಪ್ತಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ಟೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ಟೀಮ್ ಓನರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟರ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.